Hi everyone, today I'm going to be creating a bridal look using very bright colors in the eyes, keeping them lifted up. And we're going to start with a skin prep process. Going to hydrate the face and make sure that it dries quickly so we can move forward with moisturizing and priming. The skin prep will dictate the overall finish of your makeup and stay. You want to make sure that you give a good amount of coverage and you want any foundation you're using to last very long. So make sure that you're doing a good coverage and you're also using products that are long lasting. When it comes to bronzing or contouring, you want to go into the areas which need a little bit of dimension, lifting up. You can also use the blusher in a way that it highlights the cheeks, adds to the face, not just for color, but also the shape you give to the face by adding the blusher. I'm gonna set it all in place. Today I'm only using translucent powder to do so. You can also use a compact if that's what you like. Starting with the eye makeup, I'm first highlighting the underbrows that I do quite often, and then using a fluffy blending brush, I'm just going in with a yellow eyeshadow as a transition shade, which is also going to be my base color. And then using a red brown, which is going to not just give a reddish brown effect, but it's also going to mix in with the yellow and give a slightly orangish finish. It's starting to look like a sunset sort of an eye makeup, and we're going to be working on the brown a little bit on the center of the lid, and then I'm going to dab on some shimmer just to add some highlight to open up the eyes a little bit more, and of course to add that bridal effect. And then I'm going to start by creating a smudged eyeliner which will give this lifted up effect to the eyes. And of course you want to work the eyebrows in a way that it enhances her facial features, and then working on the outer corners especially to lift the eyes up, and then adding a little bit more metallic eyeshadow on the center of the lids. Then just finishing with a little bit of powder blush and contour. Nose contour is a must, especially if someone has a broad nose. It can really change the way we see the face. And then you want to give a lip line. Her lips are a little bit different than the usual lip shape, so we had to really work on that. And you want to make sure that no matter what the lip shape is, it always looks complete and always makes the face look slightly younger rather than giving it a mature look. Then you want to add a highlight, of course, and finish with ta-da! That's the final look. I'm loving the eye makeup. So let me know what you guys think. If you like this video and this look, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more looks, for more ideas for your different makeup looks, for different skills and techniques in makeup. So guys, keep watching and stay tuned for another cool video coming out very, very soon. Bye.